Hello and welcome. By the first episode, we'll have a look on our new adventure map. I made this one actually. I think it's really cool. If you're wrong, just press the reset button. You get a question like this one. Who is the creator of Minecraft? Is that Notch? Or Honeydew? Or Captain Sparkles? Now you say it's Captain Sparkles. You can stand on this one. Oh, and the red piston will race. That's wrong. So you go back, and then you have the reset button, and the red piston will go back. And now, oh, it's Notch. You stand on Notch. Oop, door is opened. And voila. Now you made it. Now we have a look at the redstone used. I need a button for that. Button. Oh, I designed it all by my own. I'm really proud of it because I tried something else, or to build something else, and then I came with it. Prototype. Very good prototype. Okay. Look, you're gonna stand on this. The water go floating. Tilts up the boat. And this redstone circle will go on. Now you press the button. The piston goes down. Cut off the water stream, and redstone is off. Same as here. And now when you go stand on the pressure plate, it's inside, you get the same effect as this button. F on, the short while is on. Without this piston goes the water glitch. You know, there's a change in here, so it goes this way. There's a boat underneath this, you can see that here. There's a boat, and that boat will be lifted. So lift off a pressure plate. And a redstone signal will go inside to the red piston, and it will be activated. Then you have it wrong. But this one, the first one, is the right one. When you stand on the first one, it's the same thing. Only this redstone circuit will go all the way over here to the door. That's over here. That's, I think it's very nice and it's very useful. Have a look at this one. When you press the reset button, you see all the pistons up there and there and there. We'll cut off the water stream. So it's water will stop floating, and the boat will go back on the pressure plate. And underneath those pressure plates, if the boat on is, it's on. You have a reverser right up there, so it is off. The boat will get released, the piston will go up, and it's wrong, or the door will go open. I think this is very cool. I designed it all by my own. That's pretty cool, I think. It was all an accident. And the water glitch, you know the water glitch, of course. Look at this. Water glitch. Oh, that's wrong. Water glitch. Now we'll activate 2 from this. That's good. I made the water glitch right now. Piston reject, piston reject. If you see, if you can see, I don't know if you can see, but if I put the button here, the redstone signal over there will go on, and that will bring the water floating. Now we go back to the reset system. All the pistons will go down, cut off the water streams, and voila! everything is reset. So once again, go in, can choose the pressure plate with honeydew. Oh, red piston, wrong. You go to set system. Wait. Put the pressure plate on notch, and the door will open. That's all. I hope you enjoyed. I really enjoyed making. That was the first episode of Let's Build an Adventure Map with the Minus Madness.